Hello student, welcome in online lecture series. I am Dr. Basab Tambe, Assistant Professor in UMF's KTHM College Nasik in Geography Department. Today we are going to discuss about the demographic transaction model. We will discuss this both theory into the one model, demographic transaction model or fertility transaction theory. This theory conceived by Frank Notstein in 1945, model of population change based upon effects of economic development. Base of this model is on the experience of Western world. It was used to decade as a model to predict what should happen to developing countries eventually. All countries pass through 4 or 5 stages to the state of maturity. In this theory, there are 5 stages from developing to develop, and every country face these 4 or 5 stages in specific year or decade. First stage, high standing birth rate and high but fluctuating death rate. Therefore, high natural increase rate. Two rates are approximately equals, both birth rate and death rate. The death rate fluctuates due to war and disease. Low income agricultural society. Definitely, African countries are facing the today also first stage. India was before near about 100 years, India was in this first stage because of high birth rate and high death rate. Second stage, dramatic decline in death rate, high birth rate, onset of industrialization and related health and medical advance. In this graph we can show the all 5 stages in one graph, and death rate, birth rate as well as natural increase of population we can show into the one graph. In the first stage there is high birth rate and high death rate and total population is very low. Then population change over time and space, as well as the population change can be shown on two models. In second stage, death rate is suddenly decrease because of the increasing the medical facilities or increasing the there is low increasing the all types of facilities, not only medical, industrialization also increase. Then third stage, low death rates, decline birth rate due to the voluntary discussions to reduce family size added by improved contraceptions. They related to improved standard of living, natural increase rate falls. Then fourth stage also important. Then low standard death rate and birth rates, low natural increase rate, as well as smaller to stage first. Then stage 5, low death rate and decline birth rate. we can explain these stages into different using the different graph. In the second stage, the expanding stage or this stage is known as early transition. Birth rate remains high, death rate begins to fall rapidly, result in population explosion. Early industrialization parallel with medical and health advance, infant mortality declines, life expectancy increase. This stage characterizes nations in every development. Countries, core, periphery or semi-periphery. So, in summary, the argument that is extract from the demographic transition model is that since to developed countries underwent a dramatic change that result in lower rate of population growth, if only the developing nations could do the same, their fertility rates would also fall. Development is the best form of construction. Third stage, this is late transition and pyramid of this stage, it is bell shaped type because of birth rate decrease compared to death rate, as well as death rate also decrease, but birth rate decreased rapidly. However, this demographic transition has not occurred uniformly geographically. Some areas are in stage 5 and some areas are in stage 2. Times have changed since the developed world went through the demographic transition. Therefore, can we use the demographic transition model as a predictive tool? Can we assume that the passage from third and fourth stage will happen over time? From the evidence of modern experience to seem no. Conditions are different. Prospects of industrialization are questionable. Reduction of death rate are a result in some countries of diffusion of technology from the developed world. It's one thing to introduce health control, another to introduce successful ways to reduce birth rates. There is evidence to suggest that the fertility rate are declined as in the third and fourth stage, but the very different region. This is known as the fertility transition theory. In the fertility is decline in the less developed world at a rate which exceeds the rate of decline that was experienced in the development world. It seems to be related directly to the extent to which modern contraceptives are employed. Formal education is not prerequisite for using contraceptives. contraception. Information about contraception is widespread due to mass media. Apple for large families has fallen due to a rising status of women. Obvious problem associated with rapid and large population increase for the family and the stage pressure on agricultural land. In summary, the fertility transaction theory asserts that whole economic development can create a climate conducive to reduction in fertility. It is a change in agriculture attitude about large families and willingness to use contraception that is the key, along with the availability of the contraceptions. In short, development is not the best form of contraceptives. Rather, contraceptives are the best form of contraceptives. But what are some of the obstacles to the modern widespread use to contraception? Opposition to birth control and family planning, the manufacture and distribution of education about their use of contraceptive and is expensive. Religion can be blocked birth control program, Catholic Church and some others. Low status of women, lack of political and economical right, lack of access to education, preference for male child in some areas, fertility rates are lower in urban societies, and much of the developing world is still rural. In this way, we will complete this theory. It is demographic transaction model or fertility theory. Thank you very much.